Hello Year 6, it's Miss Coverdale here with an introduction to this week's spellings. This week's list of words is focused on word families based on common words, showing you how words are related in form and in meaning. We started looking at the meaning of word families last week. Can you remember what they are? Pause the video now to have a think. That's right. A word family is a group of words that fit into a certain set of letter patterns with the same root word. This means that the group of words all have a common feature, pattern, or meaning. Now let's see how last week's learning will help us. This week we are going to be looking at words that all start with the prefix inter. All of these words start with the same prefix or start of a word, then they belong to the same word family. Inter comes from the Latin and means between, amongst, or in the middle of. Set a timer now for 1 minute and try and think of as many words with the prefix inter that you can think of. Pause the video now to complete this activity. Brilliant Year 6. How many inter words did you think of? Let's see if you thought of any of these examples. Interrupt, intercept, internal, intertwine, interloper, interfere, interject, interim, intersperse, and interest. Some of these words may be new to you, or you may have heard them and not know their meaning. That's okay because we are going to try and work them out in the next 2 activities. Just like last week, Mr. Whoops has got in a bit of a pickle and has muddled up the dictionary. Can you help him match the spelling words to the correct definition? Pause the video now to do this. Great work, Year 6. Let's see if you've been able to correctly match the word to its definition. Interrupt, to stop the progress of something. Interfere, to prevent a process from being carried out properly. Intercept, to prevent someone or something from continuing to a destination. Internal, situated on the inside. Interloper, a person becoming involved where they are not wanted. Now have a go at completing the same activity for the remainder of this week's spellings. Pause the video now to have a go. Brilliant Year 6. Let's see if you've been able to correctly match the word to its definition. Interest, the feeling of wanting to learn about something or someone. Interject, to talk when someone else is speaking. Interim, something that's temporary until something permanent exists. Intersperse, to mix one thing in with another. Intertwine, to twist together. Great work today, Year 6. Hopefully you are becoming more familiar with word families and how the definitions of words are directly related to the common feature or pattern. You need to write the date in your exercise book and copy this week's list of spellings correctly, along with the correct definition. Today's extra challenge is to try and use each of these words in a sentence. You can either say these aloud or write them down in your exercise book. Remember to practice your spellings throughout the week and complete the test on Friday. I hope you all have a great day. Goodbye.